Welcome, in front of me I have WIKO View Go, and today I'll show you face unlock test. Let's check how face unlock works in this smartphone. Let's make a few tries, few unlocks. Okay, as you can see, the first unlock is successful, but right now it's struggle. Okay, right now it looks better, it goes even faster. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't work every time. So I cannot say that it's reliable, and also it's very slow, but we have to know that it's very cheap smartphone. So I think that the better way to unlock your smartphone will be just use something like pattern or pin code. It will be definitely faster, but it will be also good when you cannot use your keyboard on the smartphone, or you cannot use your pattern, so you can click only on the power button and the phone will be unlocked. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.